This is Sparkle, and part of her morning routine is to sit up in this tiny cat tower. Right, Sparkle? Yeah, this is part of your morning. This is what you do. And Sebastian likes to come, grab a snack, and then rub on people's legs. Here's where Sparkle and Sebastian eat. We have a puzzle feeder, but somehow Sparkle gained too much weight according to the vet. Right? Now we gotta try to figure out how to get you to lose some more weight. Or feed you less. Probably feed you less. Do you like that idea? No, not a fan. What about you? You want to eat less? No, not so much. We're looking for our next subscriber. Subscribe to our videos. Thanks for watching.